All right, so we did your apron and it was completely rusted up, and you have problems with your cross slide. So yes, this thing's filthy. It's terrible. We haven't indicated anything. We got everything all apart, picked it up on, was it Friday? But you're getting moisture in here. You got more rust up here like you wouldn't believe to get all these shafts out. I don't know what happened. I don't know. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be cleaning all this surface to make sure that nothing gets inside of here. We also have to do something in here maybe. But guys, this is our problem. And the problem, you know, for anybody else that's watching this video is, so they're using coolant on a lathe. This is a Poreba TR135. Great machine. The problem is that the coolant was filling up in the apron. Well, the apron is what supplies oils to the ways. So you have coolant going in an apron with a bunch of gears, so everything's getting rusted up. And now you're pumping the coolant as a lubricant for the cross slide, screwing everything up, just wearing it out way, way, way quicker than it should be. I know there's some stuff in here. Someone welded this, and I'm assuming it's because you don't need it, and that would be for the shifting fork here. I don't know if that would be for a rapid or feed or something like that. I believe maybe it's for a feed. I don't know for certain. But, you know, I'm going to give you guys a write-up of what you guys want to fix, what we need to fix. But pretty much what's going to happen is we're going to take this thing, clean it, stone it, and we're going to put it up on a plate. The apron goes on this lower section, so we're going to use this section to reference our, you know, we'll put a plate here, and then we'll put a jack over here, and then we're going to pick up on the clearance rails up here, and we're going to see how far off this surface is. We'll probably wave grind this x-axis slide. We're going to fit the cross slide that attaches to it, hand scrape that, and then after that place, then we're going to have to refit the gib. Now, I know you guys line turkite to it, but man, that is so thick. I hope we don't have to use that much material on the gib, because I might just make a new gib, because that's just a ton of lubricant. Not the end of the world, but hopefully we don't have to go that far. But that's where we're at. So once I get this thing all cleaned up, put it on a granite plate, I could indicate everything, show you exactly where we're going to be working. I'll shoot a little video of us wave grinding it, and that's pretty much it. Going back to the compound slide, I don't want to do anything to it other than the sense of I got to replace all these little lubrication blocks that go in here. Anybody else, that's how you get lube. You got to be lubing these things every day. I'm going to take this thing apart, and I'm going to clean off all the ways and then just put it back together. So then that way it's cleaned, it's back together. I'm not technically going to work on it, so I don't think I rebuilt it or reconditioned it or whatever the case is. I just want to clean it up, making sure it's got all fresh oil, and that's pretty much it. And that would be on the compound slide only. The other sides, yes, we're going to rebuild it and go through it, but compound, no. And the other thing is, too, is you got your taper attachment over here. We are just going to clean it up, stone it all down, and that's it. I'm not going to rebuild anything because I don't believe you guys do anything or you need it. We're not going to replace any of this stuff or not, you know, remove it from the machine because the screw still goes through this, and I don't want to, you know, be cutting screws and everything else. So we're going to clean it all up and just put it back on. We're not going to be reworking any of this stuff, too. So focusing on just the screws and nuts, lubrication, the flats, you know, gibs, and everything in that aspect. So stay tuned for another video, and then I'll show you a little bit more about what we're doing on the cross side. Thanks.